Hello and welcome into another analysis here at Sublime Traders. Today is 15th of July, Wednesday, and we are going to start off by looking at Bitcoin. This is a 1 hour chart. As you can see, we are just looking at the wave structure. So from yesterday's high, around 9,200 and around $80, the price fell of around 0.80% or 88%, which is a minor decrease, of course, but we have seen some descending movement after this increase that occurred from the start of the week. Now, as the price started another recovery to the upside, we have seen it creating just a small cluster here around those levels, which is why we're going to zoom in to a lower time frame to see what occurred. Now, looking at this increase here, we can see that it pushed the price above the 0.382 Fibonacci level, but found resistance there, which is why a retest of the lower one was made. And the price found support, so another attempt to a upside continuation is currently being made. Now we are anticipating a continuation of this higher degree downtrend because from the 9th of July we have seen a 5-wave move to the downside, followed by a 3-wave move to the upside. This indicates that the primary trend would be to the downside, as this is impulsive and this is corrective. This last increase from the 14th of July, so from the start of the week, could have been the continuation of this upside move if the price held above this trend line here, around 0.786 Fibonacci level, or around the 9,300 level area. Why? Because this could have been the first wave out of this next impulsive move to the upside, but as the price fell below it and then spiked below the starting point of this increase here, this possibility was invalidated. This is why even though this attempt for a breakout has been made, which we are going to zoom out on the 4 hour chart so you can see it better. So even though the breakout from this descending structure has been made, we are anticipating that the price would come back inside the territory of this descending channel and then continue on moving to the downside in a 5-wave manner. Okay, let's move on to our next chart. The next chart we are looking at is for Binance against USD calculated by TradingView, and we are going to start off with the 1 hour chart, on which you can see that the price of Binance has actually been in a downside trajectory from the start of the week, and decreased more than 8%, 8.45% to be exact, but has now started to show signs of recovery as it increased from the interaction of this 0.382 Fibonacci level at around $17.42 area. So now we could see a further upside movement, but it appears that this 5-wave structure has been completed, which is why we could be seeing a 4th wave correction of a higher degree, or even a start of a higher degree downtrend if this higher degree 5-wave move has been completed, in which way it could be looking something along these lines. But zooming out a bit, we can see that the increase for the Binance coin is anticipated to end shortly in either way. So even though we can see another upside move, it could potentially be the ending one, as looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see that the higher degree 5-wave move has most likely been in development, and now we are seeing this ending wave starting to move to the bearish territory. So as the price of Binance gets close to the levels of the prior low, we are about to see and evaluate this possibility, and we are going to closely monitor what happens at the price around the 0.38 Fibonacci level, and this high here at around 18.99 cents for the price of Binance. So in the upcoming period, we are going to validate our assumptions. If you're not already, make sure to join Sublime Traders and use our free 7-day trial to check out our services, so that you can understand fully how you can benefit from our trading signals. Cheers and happy trading!